on my desk, still I wanna go hard. Need a beast, not a box, need a virtual yard. Open browser, late night vibes. Sign up, easy Gmail login done in no time. Account ready, feeling good. Dream so big, but the steps understood. I don't need wires, fans or heat, just a cloud and a click, that's all I need. Add some credit, keep it light. $0.3 for the night, no stress, no pain, no sound, just power waiting to be found. Click, 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 it's running now. Oh, from zero to hero, I don't know how. Oh, click, 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 so simple, it's funny. Community cloud, cause it's cheap, save money. No PC, no problem, I'm feeling free. Heavy machine living in the cloud for me. Secure community, I choose my lane. Community cloud, lower cost, same game. RTX 4090, yeah, that's the pick. 24 gigs, RAM super slick. RAM so big, 80 gigs inside. Torch 2.7, let it ride. Computer 12.8, all aligned. Feels like cheating, but it's totally fine. Server ready, green lights glow. I don't even need to know too much code, just follow steps one by one. Beginner path, and I'm already strong. Click, 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 it's running now. Oh, from zero to hero, I don't know how. Oh, click, 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 so simple, it's funny. Community cloud, cause it's cheap, save money. No PC, no problem, I'm feeling free. Heavy machine living in the cloud for me. No fans spinning, no heat in my room. Still rendering dreams like boom, boom, boom. People say that's hard, hard. Not today. Just click a few times and you're on your way. Click, 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 install complete. Oh, one more click and I'm back on my feet. Oh, click, 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 easy to say. Power like this used to be far away. Now I'm building, learning every day. Cloud machine, yeah, this is my way. Log out slow, smile on my face. Big power, small cost, perfect space. No computer, still I run the game. Click, click, cloud, remember the name, Payday. Nunchaku online, let it strike. Boot up the node, hit run, feel the heat. Pixels align at impossible speed. No more waiting, no more delay. Frames like lightning, cut in the gray. Models before were crawling in mud. Now it's a rocket, a quantum flood. Zero to wow in a blink of an eye. Code got wings, now the art can fly. Fans spins fast, GPU screams low. Neurons dancing in a data glow. Click and the universe redraws its skin. This is where the future begins. Nunchaku, lightning in my hand, slash through time, render on command. Turn Nunchaku, fast and clean and wild, to raw ideas in a vision style. Nunchaku, hey, Nunchaku, flash, speed of thought in a thunder crash. Nunchaku, hey, Nunchaku, flash, speed of thought in a thunder crash. Here, crash here. From noise to beauty in a single pass. Chaos to clarity, break the glass. Sexters breathe, shadows behave. Every new seed is a world we save. No more limits in my creative flow. The pipeline sings in a neon glow. From code to miracle, line by line. Sculpting dreams in machine time. No latency, no fear, no wall. Just start evolving at my call. From mind to matter, spark to scene. This is what the future meant. Nunchaku, lightning in my hand, slash through time, render on command. Turn Nunchaku, fast and clean and wild, to raw ideas into vision style. Nunchaku, Nunchaku, flash, speed of thought in a thunder crash. Nunchaku, Nunchaku, flash, speed of thought in a thunder crash. I don't wait for tomorrow, I generate now. Reality bends when I show it how. Not just a tool, it's a second mind, a Nunchaku, speed of thought in a thunder crash. Nunchaku, flailing in my hand, slash through time, render on command. Draw Nunchaku, future in my sight, painting worlds at the speed of light. Nunchaku, Nunchaku, speed of thought in a thunder crash. Nunchaku, Nunchaku, speed of thought in a thunder crash. The glitch let the sparks burn slow, art encode in a perfect flow. Lab goes dark, but the vision stay. Rendered a universe in a single day. Yeah, this ain't more like magic. This is Comfyui. Quiet up. White screen open blank like fate. Boxes everywhere, yeah, this ain't automate. Know that checkpoint weight so heavy. Rim sweating, but I'm still steady. Tip on the left, vape on the right. Sampler in the middle, like we good tonight. See done known, roll the dice, noise to image, watch it come alive. They say, bro, why so complex? Cause I wanna know what breaks next. When it fails, I don't complain. I read the graph, I traced the chain. Why the flow? Let it go. Every note gotta earn that glow. Click ain't hope, click's a choice. I build my art, I hear my voice. Why the flow? Don't pretend from late in space and final render and Comfyui. Yeah, I run the show. If it works out wide, it's so. If it works out wide, it's
text to image, image to dream. Case of the like a drum machine. CFG tweak, steps go up.
too much noise.
Turn it down, what's up? Control net, pull me back in line. Depth pose, can he frame divine? Note to row, saving my day. Trial and error, that's the way. Red text flash, error screen. Missing no kill my whole damn scene. But I don't rage, I don't flee.
Get pull, restart.
Fix dependency.
Why the flow? Let it go. Every note gotta earn that glow. Click ain't hope, click's a choice. I build my art, I hear my voice. Why the flow? Don't pretend from late in space and final render and Comfyui. Yeah, I run the show. If it works out wide, it's so. No presets, praying for luck. I don't fear graphs, I level up. From random hits to crafty fire. Every wire take me higher. Noise ain't chaos, it's a start. Discipline turn math to art. Once you see the flow so clear, you never going back from here.
Upscale later, save that round. Batch count low, that's the plan. Cool it up, let it cook. While I sip coffee, take a look. Unity, no, plug and play. One new tool changed my whole day. From stills to motion, frame by frame. Same graph, different game.
This ain't beginner, this ain't elite. It's just control at every beat. If you learn the whys and why they connect, you don't guess you architect. Why the flow? Let it go from zero skill to full control. No black box, no disguise, just clean logic, open eyes. Why the flow? Stand your ground, I don't chase trends, I build a sound. Comfyui, this my code, every render I own that road. No magic button, just structure, just patience, just load.
Bro, why is this so hard? And also, is there a free version? Yeah, let's talk. They want Hollywood, zero cost, one click dream, no brain, no loss. Download free, complain loud. Why the snow look like a math crowd? Graph too big, nah, I quit. Error text, this tool is shit. Didn't read, didn't learn, but still mad it doesn't turn. They want magic, want result, but skip the part where skill is built. Ask the group, same damn line. Can someone fix this? I got no time. They want free, they want fast, they want power with no past, no learning curve, no pain, no grind, but still want genius level mind. They say Comfyui too hard, bro. Yeah, that's called learning, yo. Free don't mean it owes Can you send? No context, broken graph, dead end. Did you try? Nah, not yet. But they already mad on the internet. Want RTX, want speed, but don't wanna read what they need. Ask for node name, skip the Y, then shocked when outputs die. They love the word community, but hate responsibility. Want open source, but close one mind. If it's not easy, they decline. They want free, they want fast, they want power with no past, no learning curve, no pain, no grind, but still want genius level mind. They say comfy, you too hard, bro. Yeah, that's called learning, yo. Free don't mean it you easy. Gives you keys, not guarantees. Nobody said this road was flat. You want control, then learn the map. Free tools don't sell you dreams. They give you parts and broken seams. If you hate thinking, hate the mess. Maybe presets fit you best, but don't call hard what you won't try. That's not the tool. That's the lie. They want chef food, instant plate, no recipe, still wanna rate 1 star cause I didn't read. Bro, that's wild, but go off king. Comfyui ain't gatekeeping you, it's asking what you gonna do if you connect dots. Learn the flow, you unlock levels you didn't know. But if you just wanna complain, scroll TikTok, same old lane. Free tools don't babysit, they reward those who stick with it. They want free, they want fast, they want future without a past. No effort, still wanna shine, but skip the part called learn with time. Comfyui ain't hard, it's real. It shows what you actually know and feel. If that scares you, that's okay, but don't blame tools you won't engage. It's free, it's powerful, it's not easy. Pick too hard. Pick too hard.
Love is sweet, oh so sweet. Then it trips, falls on its feet. Ooh yeah. He said forever, what a line. Forever lasted till 9:30. Promises fly, they disappear like smoke rings